Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my hygiene routine as well as my shower routine and some of the products that I use for acne prone skin. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, I want to be sharing with you how I whiten my teeth, and this is what I've been doing lately. I've done this a few times in the past. I'm going to be using the White with Style kit, and this kit basically has everything you need to start your teeth whitening process. If you never tried one of these kits before, the kit does come with clear instructions on how to get started. So what you're going to do first is you're going to mold your mouth trays. And to do this, you have to bring 4 inches of water to a boil, remove from heat, and cool for 6 minutes. You're going to go ahead and put the mouth trays in the hot water one by one for 10 seconds or until you see the trays softening. You're going to go ahead and place the mouth trays into your mouth, covering your upper teeth and your lower teeth. Close your mouth and suck all of the air and water from the tray, creating a suction between the tray and your teeth. Wait 15 seconds before removing the tray from your mouth. Go ahead and place the trays into cold water for 12 seconds. After you have molded the trays to your teeth, you can go ahead and take the syringe and put a few small drops of the gel onto the tooth impressions of each tray. If you have any excess gel from your gums, you can remove that with the vitamin E swabs that are provided before you start the treatment. Now all you have to do is place the LED light in front of your trays, and this will activate the gel and whiten your teeth a lot faster. You can keep the trays in no longer than 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, you can go ahead and remove the trays, rinse out your mouth, and rinse out the trays with lukewarm water and store in a clean, dry place. Do not do this treatment more than once per week. So now it's shower time, and I really want to share with you guys this super cool shower curtain. This shower curtain is basically like an iPad, iPhone shower curtain. You can put your iPhone or your iPad into the little slots in the curtain, and you can go ahead and watch TV while you're in the shower. It's so cool. So these are by Diggy Curtain, and you can find these on Amazon, and it's super affordable, great quality. It has like really well made shower hooks. So I wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys just in case you like to take long showers and you want to watch TV as well. Alright, so now I'm in the shower, and this summer my skin has just been going crazy. When it gets really hot outside, my shoulders seem to break out. So I've been having like a lot of acne on my shoulders, as you can see. But the only product that has been working for me is this one. Not sponsored, by the way. This is another product that you can get off Amazon. And it's by Purely Northwest. It's their tea tree oil foot and body wash. And this basically is like an antifungal body wash. And it's been the only thing that has been helping my body acne. And basically all of my body acne has basically cleared up. I just, I'm left with the scars that I always have because my body scars super easily. But this is a product that I definitely recommend if you are struggling with body acne. And I just like to put this all over my shoulders, all over my neck, all over my chest, anywhere that I may get body acne. The next thing I like to do in the shower is to shave my underarms. I basically shave my underarms every single day because the hair under my arms be growing back super fast. I'm actually considering getting laser hair removal for my underarms. So if any of you guys have gotten laser hair removal, let me know your thoughts on it. I'm kind of scared, but I do want to do it. And I basically only shave my underarms. As you guys know, I wax my legs, so the hair on my legs really don't grow back that rapidly. The next thing I like to do is to exfoliate, and I use a Japanese washcloth to exfoliate. These cloths are really good at getting rid of dead skin. It can be a little bit rough, but I like it. I like it like that. The body wash that I use for the rest of my body, basically from the stomach down, is the Simply Truth Organic Body Wash. And it's unscented. It's super gentle. It's hypoallergenic. It's a really good body wash. The last thing I do in the shower is to wash my face. And I've been using this face wash by Dermalogica. And I've been really liking it so far. Oh, and if you're washing your hair in the shower, always make sure that you wash your face and body last, because sometimes if you have acne prone skin, the hair products can really irritate your skin. And as soon as I get out of the shower, I like to moisturize. I moisturize with 100% shea butter. And I love shea butter. Shea butter actually really helps if you have like acne scars and stuff. You want to make sure you get rid of the acne first, because it'll basically just like defeat the purpose of trying to get rid of acne scars if you haven't gotten rid of the acne first. And shea butter actually doesn't like work overnight or anything like that. It takes about 3 to 6 months to see any type of fading of your scars, but it does help, and I do recommend it. It's natural, But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time.